What if creating an audiobook no longer required weeks of writing, hiring a narrator, recording audio, editing files, designing covers, and handling all the technical publishing steps? AI is now moving into almost every part of content creation, and one area getting a lot more attention is audiobook publishing. So the question is, can an AI tool really take a simple idea and help create a complete audiobook ready for publishing? That's exactly what we're looking at in this AudioBank review. AudioBank is an AI-powered audiobook creation platform designed to help users go from an idea to a finished audiobook workflow using artificial intelligence. Instead of using separate tools for research, writing, narration, audio production, cover creation, and publishing preparation, AudioBank brings these steps together inside one cloud-based system. The idea behind the platform is simple: reduce the technical barriers that normally stop people from creating audiobooks. Traditional audiobook creation usually requires writers, voice actors, recording equipment, editing software, designers, and a lot of time. AudioBank focuses on simplifying that process. One of the main features is the AI audiobook script generator. Users can enter an idea, select a genre, and choose the type of audiobook they want to create. AudioBank then helps generate a structured script designed for audio listening. This is important because audiobook writing is different from normal text. A good audiobook needs pacing, flow, transitions, and a structure that sounds natural when someone listens. The platform supports different formats, from shorter audio content to longer audiobook projects, depending on the creator's goals. The next major feature is AI narration. Normally, turning a script into an audiobook requires recording your own voice or hiring a narrator. AudioBank includes AI voice technology that can convert the script into spoken audio. Users can choose different voice styles depending on the type of content, whether it is educational content, business topics, stories, or other audiobook categories. It's built for creators who want audio content without needing a microphone, recording setup, or voice acting experience. Another useful part is the production workflow. Creating the audio is only one piece of the process. Audiobooks also need proper packaging. AudioBank includes tools for generating audiobook covers, descriptions, categories, tags, and metadata. This helps creators organize the important assets needed before publishing. One feature that stands out is the publishing-focused workflow. According to the official information, AudioBank is designed to help users prepare and distribute audiobooks across multiple platforms, including major audiobook marketplaces. For people interested in building a catalog of audio content, it also includes features like genre selection, trend research, and series creation tools. This can be useful because successful publishing usually isn't just about creating one piece of content. It often requires understanding topics, audiences, and building a collection over time. So who is AudioBank mainly for? It makes the most sense for content creators, authors, coaches, educators, marketers, freelancers, and agencies who are interested in creating audiobook-style content faster. It may also appeal to people exploring AI-powered publishing or offering audiobook creation as a service using the included commercial rights. But it's not going to be for everyone. If you have no interest in creating audio content, publishing digital products, or offering content services, then you probably won't need a tool like this. For pricing, the front-end version of AudioBank starts at a one-time launch price and includes the core audiobook creation features with commercial rights. There are also optional upgrades available, including AudioBank Unlimited, Done for You, Automation, Profit Multiplier, Traffic, Automated Affiliate Profits, Reseller, Agency, and White Label. These upgrades are mainly designed for users who want higher limits, automation, client services, or business expansion features. Looking at the positives, the biggest advantage of AudioBank is convenience. Combining writing, narration, production, cover creation, and publishing preparation into one workflow can save a lot of time compared to managing multiple separate tools. The commercial rights option is also useful for creators who want to create content for clients. However, there are some things to keep in mind. AI can speed up the creation process, but creators should still review their scripts, check the quality, and make sure their final audiobook provides real value. Publishing content does not automatically mean it will generate listeners or income. Success still depends on the topic, quality, marketing, and audience demand. You may want to skip AudioBank if you prefer fully manual audiobook production, professional studio recording, or if you are looking for guaranteed publishing results without doing any strategy or promotion. Overall, AudioBank is worth looking into if you're interested in AI content creation, audiobook publishing, or building audio assets without handling every technical step yourself. It brings several parts of the audiobook process into one platform, which is what makes it interesting compared to using multiple separate tools. If AudioBank looks like a good fit for what you're trying to create, I've added the link in the description where you can check out the full details.